Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am coming on with an episode of Woodblock Wonders. If you remember, this is a beautiful stamp. It's called Gingerbread Recipe Quilt. There's the name of it. Let's see if we can get my camera to focus on there. There we go. It's by Terrye French, and it's a 1999 era stamp. Okay. And this was given to me recently. I think it was sold by Stampassions also, but this was given to me by Felicia, who is Biblescraps here on YouTube, a couple weeks back. And I was so touched to receive this because this is a stamp that I've had on my wish list for a long time. And a lot of times when it's up for resale, people want a lot of money for it. And so I've never bought one because of that. But I was very, very touched that Felicia sent this to me, and I wanted to play with it immediately. So I made a card, and I thought I'd come on really quick and share it with you. So it uses that image, and then it also uses these word stamps from Paper Sweeties. And this set is called Mary, and this set is called Blessed. And I used a lot of the words in these two sets on my card, and I'm going to show you what I created. So, I made this sweet little gingerbread card, and in the background you can see that I stamped a bunch of the word dies from Paper Sweeties, and they showed up a little bit better before I had to cut the panel down, but you can see the word joy is there. Here's the word Mary, and I dropped the stamp so it's a little bit crooked, but I don't even mind. I think it looks really cute in the background to have all those words floating around. And I just colored the image, and I made it look so that she's been baking all day. And I had thought about trying to put some flour different places, but I haven't done it yet. I'm not sure if I want to or not. Sometimes I do extra things and I end up wrecking the card. So sometimes I just like to leave well enough alone. I did add a little piece of lace trim along the edge of the panel, and then also a piece of twine, which I tied a bow onto. And then the inside of the card says, thankful, grateful, blessed. And I just thought this turned out really sweet, really simple. I love this beautiful image. And then these stamps, again, are from the company I used to design for, Paper Sweeties. And there's their website, www.papersweeties.com. And these are two of my favorite sets. And I still wish the owner, Debbie, hi Debbie, I wish Debbie would come out with a birthday set. She's got the word happy, but I wish the word birthday was in here somewhere, and cupcake and, you know, ice cream and all sorts of birthday words. I think it'd be really fun to play with these large words to make birthday cards too. So anyway, maybe she'll do that someday, but these are kind of that Ray Dunn inspired font. And so I've done a lot of different projects with these, including some coffee cup tags at Christmas, hot cocoa tags, and different things where I use the words on the front of the mug. So anyway, I want to thank you for taking a quick look at this sweet card. Felicia, I just thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing this with me. I hope you're doing okay. I haven't seen you post much in the last few weeks. I think it's been a couple weeks at least, and I hope you're doing okay and that Grandma's okay, and you're in my prayers, both of you. So I will be back with you soon with another video, okay? Take good care, everybody. Happy Friday. It's Thursday night tonight, so everybody have a wonderful Friday tomorrow. All right, bye now.